In this video, I'll show you how to download a video or an image from Discord. Firstly, launch the Discord app on your computer or open it on a web browser. On the left sidebar, navigate through your channel list and select the channel where the video is located. Scroll through the channel messages to find the video you want to download. Hover your cursor over the video. A download icon, usually a download arrow, will appear in the top right corner of the video. Click on the download icon to start downloading the video to your device. If the video is hosted externally like a link or YouTube or Vimeo video, you will not see a download icon. In this case, you'll need to use a third-party tool or download directly from the external platform. Just note that Discord may limit the size of files you can download, so if the video is too large, it may not be downloadable directly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.